zikunywe maji hapo ikiteremka. By the time mewas kwa nus, siku 2-3 zimepita.
Kopogore gi mano, aput marango weche magaluora e kaunti ma Kajiado oromo mar lalruok e wi yore mag jiwo limbe e kaunti no. Aput no ochuogi gi gavana ma Kajiado Joseph Olelenku bang' jatend Kenya William Rito jiwo gwenge ma pacho kaindi mar mondo miorie sekta mar limbe. Komiti no motel negi gi jatend Migago mar lowo Hamilton Pasenia owacho ni nitiere dwaro maduong' mar bero kuonde rito le ma Nairobi, Amboseli, Savo kod Masai Mara.
Sebra. Usiku, jioni utawakuta karibu na maboma. Songe ndio uchukue pia hiyo.
There are people who are coming up to do irrigation, which is not a bad thing, but these are semi-arid areas, and the so-called farmers are relying more on the drilling of boreholes. This is something that is not going to be sustainable, and it is good that people get to realize this early enough instead of sinking in millions of money on an area that is entirely meant for other uses. The presidential directive was two-pronged. One was to stop any further subdivision, and secondly, to stop further development.
There are quite a number of people that think that they can buy land and do whatever they want in Kajiado. It's important that they realize that now there is a document to comply with. It's very important that expert advice is given so that such investments are not going to be in vain, and that we are not just looking at short-term gains.
We shall ensure citizen participation and involvement of the communities in coming up with alternative ways in which they can benefit from the corridors so that they can be part and parcel of